one.
Was that the meat?
Yeah.
Go on then, give some meat. I better bend down.
Mate. What's this? Meat.
You got first a meat on Tiana. Oh, wow.
Go over this.
Jordan set him Nana up. Wow! On the sun umbrella. Oh! Wow! Tiana, I threw meat on my bed. Just threw meat on my bed.
Oh my god!
Oh no, you got him on my bed now, Tiana.
Go on this way, Dad. No!
She threw meat on Mum's bed. Put a big lump of meat there, T. For Mum. That is enough. Oh. Listen, them birds are going to poo on us. Yeah, we're going to have bird poo all over our heads and everything. Catch, go. Oh, yes, that was amazing.
Catch! Oh, woo!
Right, send move there now.
Wait, I'm not good. What's this?
Oh. The things we do on the beach. Oh no! I can't! They're up here everywhere, guys.
Over here!
Ah! Oh, see that one? Catch that one. That was amazing. Is that bird poo on my sunbed?
No, meat.
Ugh. Cannot believe this. Come on, do one. Do one. Oh, wow. So, guys, this is the first place where we're going to be going to visit to have some fun. That's where you can see the dolphins, Tiana. And it's called Ventura Park. It looks awesome. You've got a water park there. You can do zip lines. Open up, babe. So we've got the zip lines there. It's supposed to be really good. Lots of fun for the family. I think they've got roller coasters and stuff there. It's like a massive adventure park. See the dolphins. And obviously there's some water slides there as well. So I think we're going to book that. That's going to be the first major place where we're going to be going. So we're going to book that and probably go, did you say Monday?
Yeah.
So we'll do that for Monday.
Oh.
So all next week is going to be places to visit away from the hotel. That's what we're going to do. Tiana wants to see the dolphins. Is that a must, Tiana, the dolphins? Yeah? Remember when you see them in Dubai? Can you remember the name of the dolphin, what you seen in Dubai? Kathy, that's right.
Well done.
Well done. And that was a long time ago. How many years ago was that?
Wow, Tiana was only about 4.
You was about 4 when you seen Kathy in Dubai. Wow, and you remember the name still. So that's awesome. So we're gonna get some bookings done, guys, so we can have some fun. I just love the water parks. Amazing, like the kamikaze slide. Mum's bra came off last time she went down the kamikaze slide. So yeah, make sure you strap that bikini bra on well. I called it a bra, bikini. Yeah, that's a better word. So yeah, Tiana, you know them birds you was just feeding?
Yeah.
That was just crazy.
Oh, yes.
They're birds trying to steal our lunch. I mean, come on. Bird poo everywhere. Bird poo everywhere, weren't they? Jordan gave the birds a big piece of burger, and that just started it off. So Tiana went and got some more lunch, had a hot dog, and shared a hot dog with the birds. It was just crazy. On top of the sun umbrellas, on the beds, bird poop everywhere. Yeah? So today has probably been the worst day so far, which is not bad, but it's cloudy today, really windy. Yeah, so we're gonna go for a little walk, and when we get back, the plan is this. We've got the nonnas up there, and we've not really been going in the sea that much at all. We'll just go in and just get the feet wet. Not good when you come to Mexico. You've got to enjoy the sea, the pools. Isn't that right, guys?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So we've got the donut rubber ring, what you guys have seen. So first up is my mum. I'm gonna pick her up, me and Jordan. We're gonna pick my mum up, and we're gonna put her straight into the donut ring. And that is that. Big jump, woo! So that is the plan. Then we've got my wife's mum. We're gonna try and do it with her, but ooh, she might have put up a fight, guys. Isn't it, Tiana?
Yeah.
You reckon? My mum, I should be okay, but mum's mum, she might go, no, 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 no. But we'll give it a go. Look, that's that pirate ship.
Yeah.
So right over there in the distance, guys, that's a pirate ship, and they do trips on that as well at the evenings. At night, it's all lit up. It's so beautiful, that ship is. So you can go on, it's like a fun boat, what you can go on. Party boat, that's the better one, yeah, party boat. Oh yeah, and the jet skis are down here. Me and Jordan's gonna do some challenges on the sea in them jet skis in the next few days. We're not gonna go out on them today because the waves are too strong. So when it's more, when the waves are like not so strong, then me and Jordan's gonna go and use them jet skis, do some races on the sea. They're really fast. I think they're 1100cc, them jet skis are. And that's quick for on water, 1100cc, quick. So that's the plan. So we have a little walk, get back, get the nonnas in the donut. Yeah? So here's some of the jet skis. And there's the pirate ship. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys so you can see it closer. There you go. So that's the pirate ship. So you can see how strong these waves are now, guys. Not good for a jet ski. Gianna's just loves going in the pool, in the sea. She's like a dolphin. She just loves it. Got a boat coming. There. Big wave! Wow! Wow! That must have hurt your belly. Yeah? Big one there! Big! Oh. See what's gonna happen? You're gonna get this boat sending some big waves down here now. That's what happens when the boats come across. You know what time it is now, don't you, ladies? Guess what time it is? Donut time. Mum, you're up first. You going in? The donut in the pool? Me and Jordan will help you?
Going for lunch first.
After lunch?
Yes, sure.
So this is Tiana's super fan of the channel.
Hello.
Hello, yeah? So you going home tomorrow?
Yeah.
Have you had a good time in Mexico?
Yeah, it's so much fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So what's your favourite video? I always ask the fans these questions.
I like the giant Orbeez bath.
Okay.
That one was my first favorite one. My second one was Gummy vs. Food.
Mmm.
and I think those are my only two favorite ones.
Yeah?
Out of all of them, my two favorite ones are those ones. And I like the role play ones, like the KFC one. That one made me hungry.
You know me, I love chicken. You see, because Mum's cooking was terrible that day, so Tiana had to go to get some KFC. Do you know what the most of the fans always say about the videos? Their favourite videos is when she steals my car. That's what they mainly say they like best. Tiana, and we're going to say it again, stop stealing my car.
Stop.
Do me a favour, tell Tiana to stop stealing my car.
Stop stealing his car. Where did she get the keys from?
She finds the keys. I'm always hiding the car keys. Guys, you know Tiana's keeps stealing my car. I hide my keys. She always finds the keys. Yeah, that's what she does all the time. Well, nice meeting you, young man. Keep watching.
Okay.
See you later then, yeah? Bye. Bye. We're gonna go in, guys. It's getting a bit cold today.
Not.
Yes, it is. So, my mum has decided not to go on the donut. Tiana, the nanas are boring. So look, no donuts happening today, so that's gonna have to be continued another day.
Yeah.
In that correct, Tiana? You know what we have to do, Tiana? We have to just.
Jordan.
Where? We see Jordan. Yeah, Jordan's over there taking the towels back. So to be continued with the donut, guys, with the nanas. They've ran off back to the room because the wind, sand blowing in the face. That's what they've been doing, getting sand in the face.
I've not been getting any sand in my face because I've been in the water.
You've been in the pool all day, Tiana.
Yeah, playing hide and seek with my friends.
How can you play hide and seek in the pool? How are you supposed to hide in the pool?
Well, we say that we hide in the pool, but we hide in the beach.
So you're making out that you're hiding in the pool, but you're deciding to go to the beach and hide there instead?
Yes, without telling anybody. Watch out!
Ooh. Right, you hold that because I'm going to ask you some questions, yeah? So when you was playing hide and seek, where was the best place for you to hide?
Well, on the beach there's these really big rocks and then the steps where you can hide behind them.
With the penguolas? Imagine if you disturbed them while they're in their caves. The penguolas.
Nana said that this morning when she looked at the window she saw some penguolas.
I see one every morning at 8:30. It's always there in the same spot. 8:30 in the morning. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Mummy's favourite spot, the coffee bar. I'll tell you something though, Mum, yeah? You've not seen a donut as yummy as that one.
Yeah.
I've already had a bite.
You've had a bite of that one already? Go on then, Tiana. What are you going to do? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was good. That was good. 10 the record. You're going to beat 10. 10's the record. You're going to beat that? Go on then, let's see you.
No.
10's the record.
Unless you're surprised now.
It was going to go then. So when Mum comes to the coffee bar, she has one of those, 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 2 of those, and maybe 3 of those, and a cappuccino. And that is true.
How rude are you?
No, it's not rude.
It's not rude, it's true.
Wow! How many is that? I'm not gonna go.
Okay, one more go.
Go for it. This is how you do the donut spin. Stay fantastic, you're super duper cool.
Daddy, you can hardly even see you.
What do you mean you can't see me?
You're crazy.
Where's your cakes?
Oh, I've got them here.
You've already ate them already. Don't make out you've not had more than 2. Match. Wow! That is what you call a donut kick.